only two, namely dark food coloring. Here I use dark green and a tall jar that can hold 1.5 liters of water. Here I use a candy jar, ignoring the brand. Okay, then the work steps that we will do. The first, put the jar has been filled with water in a protected place for 24 hours. Here I already have water in the jar and I let it sit for 24 hours. In the second, hold the food dye tube above the water and drop about 2 drops. And finally, observe the change and observe again 24 hours later. We'll see the result. The result is that the dye droplets will sink to the bottom of the jar and form colored lines in the water. And I'll be back 24 hours after this lab to see what happens 24 hours later. After 24 hours, the water was colored. Do you want to know why? That is because the atoms and molecules that make up an object are in states that move regularly, although they are not visible to the naked eye. The water molecules are also moving. The tiny particle of the dye will be evenly distributed in the water. The movement of the dye in the water so that is completely mixed is called diffusion. Okay, until here the practicum from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.